how to make battery icon and others bigger on your phone. So if you want them bigger, like your font or your icons over here, like these apps, it's usually going to be done on your settings. And in most phones or models, usually the battery icon itself may not have a separate size setting. It usually gets bigger only when the whole display or interface is enlarged. So if you want to go ahead and try, you can do it over here inside your settings. So first of all, if you'd like to increase the font size, go to your settings and find display. Inside display, you can scroll down and find the font settings, and you can change, of course, the size and the other options over here. If you'd like, you can also go ahead and search for display size. So that's usually still done here in personalization or the accessibility part of your settings, or you could also go ahead and search for it directly. So go ahead and search for display size like so, and you will get this option. You have very small, I suppose, XS, small, and large. It's gonna vary whatever model your phone has, but again, the usual, it's going to be found on the display settings of your phone. For iPhone, again, similar. Go ahead into your settings and basically just the display. But hopefully this video can help you. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.